We are at milepost 357 on the Alaska Railroad. This is north of Denali and south of Healy. The river below is the Nenana River. This is the car, which is currently empty. We have disembarked all of our guests. The views, gorgeous. Going through what we call the canyon. The Nenana River is flowing north, ultimately to the Arctic Ocean. You can see how the railroad was carved into a shelf on the distant wall. This is one of the most dramatic sections of our ride. Unfortunately, our guests don't get to see this as they have already disembarked. I was able to get my work finished in time today to sit down and enjoy it. Look at that engine. Followed by the Holland America cars. And then we have one Princess car, another Holland America car, and then another Princess car. How cool is this? Just another day at work in Alaska.